Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to close your CADs for the FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head into the program here. Now when it comes to closing the CAD, that's pretty straightforward. So this should be a small video, but there is a little catch to keep in mind when you're working with it, which I did not know the first time, so it was rather frustrating. So what happens is, to close a CAD, there's no clear indication when you're in the CAD how to do that. So if you had to go close application here, it will obviously close the whole program, so keep that in mind. Little X on top, same thing, and as you can see, there's no little X's here to close off this CAD. So in the beginning, you might find yourself closing the program, reopening it, and carrying on. Where what you simply have to do is you want to go to your file menu on the top left here, click on file, and then navigate down until we find close CAD. Now it is not closed, so don't mistake those two. This one will also close your application, so you want to go to close CAD. And then once you do that, it will head you back into the actual program. So keep that in mind, and also make sure you have actually saved your work, because if you do that, you go back to CAD, as you can see here, our shape is gone. So make sure you get an habit. You first save if you want to keep your work, then you go File, Close CAD, and then you are back in the program. It's quite handy, so you don't have to close your program every time. But like I said, it's very straightforward, but at first it can be very confusing if you're not aware how to close it. Because I know the first time I got into this program, I wasn't sure what's the difference between CAM and CAD and all of that stuff. So you click one button and suddenly your whole program changed, and you don't know how to change it back. So otherwise, once again, just File, Close CAD, and then you're back here at the right place. But yeah, otherwise that is it on closing CADs. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.